Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. This one here is pretty dope. I took an L on the Human Race NMD HOLI festival that they did. I took a big L. Ended up picking up these instead with a 15% off Adidas coupon, which is the HOLI Tennis Hue Multicolor. I'm guessing that's what the MC stands for. I got these at 11.5 and I probably should have gone down to an 11. And I should have learned that from the first time. I don't know if I did a video on them, but I was able to pick up the prime knit pair of the Stan Smith colorway when the Tennis Hue first dropped. And I got them in an 11 because you know prime knit. You never really know with prime knit. So I went a half size down for my true size 11.5 to an 11. And those fit pretty good. These aren't prime knit, so I figured, you know, 11.5 would be good. But the material on these, you can see your toes, like people will know when they're a little bit big. So these are a little bit big, but you know, that's fine. So getting into the shoe, it's really, really crazy. It's kind of like some of those runs you do where they throw the powder at you. It looks like you ran through one of those. Definitely like really purple on the inside part, and then it gets a lot lighter on the outside. You do get some green laces, and they came factory laced like that, which is just pretty much tied. Same with this one. The inside is really, really purple. And then the laces you get some extra purple ones with some 3M hits on it. I don't know which ones I'm going to put in there yet, but I do like the accent with the green. It's pretty nice. You get like the salmon hit with the Human Race logo and the Adidas logo. You get the Pharrell Williams hit on the back. And then I'm not too sure what exactly the cushioning system is on these. I've stated before that it feels like a Roshi run pretty much. That's what I could say. But it's not boost, it's not bounce. I really don't know what it is. It's just like a regular foam, I want to say. But it's pretty comfortable. It's not bad. Would I recommend this for like a day out walking? Not really. This is more of like a casual wear. No longer than like 4 or 5 hours. If you really want something like that, you don't want to pick these up. But I just got these just because the color, the HOLI Festival theme on it, I thought that was pretty cool. And because I missed out on the NMDs. So in total, I paid $115 for these, which is a really, really good deal. They are kind of selling for like retail, I guess, right now. But I just really liked them because of the colors, to be quite honest with you guys. We've got tennis hues at the store before, and I've never really paid much attention to them. But this colorway I thought was really, really nice, whether it was on the tennis hue here or if it was on the NMD. Either way, I really did like it. So when I knew I was going to miss out on the NMD, so I think these released like at 3 or 4 in the morning, so I got an 11.5. I figured, you know, if I can't get the NMD, I'll keep these. If I do get the NMD, I'll just return these or sell them or whatever I can do with them. And like I planned, I didn't get them, so here I am with these. And I'm not too upset with that. I really do like the colors on it. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about the release. I know a lot of people are dogging on Adidas right now for their release system. It's been straight garbage. I'm not even gonna lie. Every single time I try to buy a limited shoe off Adidas, it just never ends well. I think actually once I got the Adidas 750, the Yeezys, and that was pretty much it that I got off Adidas. So I have a really bad track history with them, and it doesn't seem to be getting any better. But you know, at the same time, it's pretty easy to get something that you like. That's a GR. They ship pretty quick. They usually have that 15% off for emails. But that is going to be it. Just wanted to give you guys an up close look at this one. I haven't really seen many videos on these, and I thought they were dope. So just wanted to kind of get this one in and out so you guys can get a better look at them if you decide to buy them. I know Adidas has sold out, but some overseas places still have them. Or if you just wanted to pay resale for them, in person, they're really, really nice. I like the color. My buddy saw them in person, and he decided he wanted a pair, so he bought one. It's a really cool shoe. Hey, but that is it. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.